At a function held at Madanrting in Shillong on the 15th of July 2022, the MLA-cum-MDC of Nongkrem, Lambor Malngiang, had announced the inclusion of the locality of Madanrting under the scheme of the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Act. In celebration of the special day, the MLA-cum-MDC of Nongkrem, Lambor Malngiang, graced the occasion as chief guest in the presence of the guest of honor, the MDC of Nongthymmai constituency, Latiplang Kharkongor, the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi District, Isawanda Laloo, the Block Development Officer of the Mylliem C&RD Block, T Passah, current and former headmen of Madanrting, officials of the PWD Bypass and Central divisions, government officials and residents of the locality. Speaking on the occasion, Lambor Malngiang said that the inclusion of Madanrting locality into the Mgnrega scheme is not the sole effort of his, but of the public and residents of the locality who have been cooperating with the government in all ways possible. He also expressed satisfaction at the fact that the scheme will not only enable the people to avail of opportunities to earn an income, but more so of the employment generated through the scheme.
Ngongan pen ulong ya kabela sispasngi ya kabang ngakren hangi ngakren hapo ying dorbar ngakren hangthi hapo bloksi ngatrai pinken mau baro ngong kersan batu yarap lem ya ngan pen ulong met batman sim banwanra ya ka Mgnrega batmentang akwa banong kadap kadonot bakajing kemen kabahadu kata-kata khat henriu tuli gisnam kilayan nadu balawanra banithu da ka sarkar India hakabay bat kumno ban penkiw yigisnong githaw ngiyo house nam arhaja henriu kawan kabela sispasngi hapo kajala gajungi Henry Puse Madanrting Shujaw Duot Lalap Hipet Yagite Gisnong Gibakham Shadin Amdan Jakashu Bansna Lenti Senkin Dakiba Itanat Kijakale Chapar Gabe Itanat Kiyin Dorbar Kitop Kibabha Babha Henry Hangni Ngimshin Lala Banyo Kum Yagdagalat Henry ngakwa banong hagani kapor parlok bahid bagajiyat denti kajunga gade galanti sokro sokram ngasimti kum unang mikmat hakapor kabae ngasimti kum unang ilam hakapor kabas sosat ha pilayoi hagini gi artali gisnam kiblayat katno gajing jenjar jong gilong yin ng sem kamtam kibablam step bam damit Laklumar kayo kahat kasnong dathaw Bangdon syu bala banyalit bala Henry ngasim karay nganmi syakmat ban krisyan kumigita kilongyin kibam siyem layo syu yakabala kanaw